this gives me hope. The fact that you said that you have doctors in your courses as well as laymen. It might be, thanks to Mehana Institute, it might be easier for us, for instance, searching for medical doctors, experts, professionals with this kind of approach, with this kind of integrative, complementary approach in medicine, to find them thanks to you and your activities. Because when I want to talk to a doctor, I consult something, I would preferably go to someone who has this kind of approach in their practice. So
yeah, this is excellent remark, because this is the point actually of our introductive courses. So now I have spoken about this Mehana Open we just launched. We will run, this is the only course, or the first one we will run in the Czech language, because there was really high demand from the Czech people, and some of them are very reluctant to participate in the English program, but this is the point, that we present also the techniques, but also my colleagues. And we have also new doctors and new instructors in training who joined our institute, and we will give them opportunity not only to go through our teachings, but also to give their first lecture, to interact with the public, and it will give them an excellent opportunity to present themselves and to make contacts. Each of them is specialized in another branch. So this is also another point of Mehana Institute, because in fact Mehana Institute, why we call it institute, because the idea is to shelter mostly medical professionals from practicing conventional medicine, who decided to implement in their practice complementary and integrative approach. And we, Mehana should offer kind of shelter or kind of space or platform to exchange the experiences, to enrich each other and to educate each other, and to raise also, like, through our experiences, to grow. And so that's why we also run it since the very beginning in English, because we like to be completely open also to other colleagues from abroad. And so this is the main idea. And at the same moment, we like to be open for public. So that's why, of course, I think in the future, when we will grow, I suppose we will run also specialized course, specialized for doctors.
Right.
But at this point, I think it's very important to be, since the very beginning, open for the public and exchange it, because without public, we would never have the feedback, and we will never know where to go. So we need public to participate. This is what happens actually, and I'm really thankful for all the hundreds of participants who already passed through our courses, for their feedback, very patient feedback, because I was really very insistent to ask about the feedback, and I am thankful for them that they were enough patient to give it, because they help us to form the direction. Yeah.
That's brilliant. I like the way you think and design the courses, and the way Mehana Institute operates. And it's very good news for me also to see that it's a great source even for the public to get a chance to meet or somehow mediate contact perhaps with specialists that think in this way, that have a broad look at.
And I think it's an excellent thing. I'm really very happy to enable this opportunity to meet the doctors who practice complementary medicine with their clients, because also for the doctors it's good to be surrounded by the people who are really on the same wave, on the same, because of course this approach is not for everybody. I'm pretty sure that even in the future there will be always patients who will always prefer the passive approach and more like pharmacological therapy and invasive therapy. It's perfect, but they will have their doctors. But there now this group of people who is searching for something like really to be more independent, to understand more the things, to be more maybe close to natural approaches. So these potential patients are searching for their doctors, and I'm really happy to give opportunity for them to meet. Yeah.